I've finished the second location. I'm just taking my breath because it was quite awesome. But we still have to get to the third location. Yeah. That's the plan, right? Gonna say something?
Yes.
Yes, but you need the mic. This is Maya, by the way. No. No mic. Okay, very good. Cut, cut, cut.